welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. This is my baby, my big baby, Jermaine. You can't even see his face, but he's my baby, one of them. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Today, I'm going to do some oven jerk. What is this? Pork spare ribs. Season up this quick bad boy quick. Yep, I need to remove. Do you guys remove this outer skin? See that? I always remove that. I'm gonna add this to my water that I'm rinsing my ribs with, apple cider vinegar. Garlic. And this is garlic ginger paste. Going right in my meat. Garlic powder. Just eyeballing everything, guys. Seasoned salt. Some smoked paprika. All-purpose season. My handy dandy Vegeta, and yes, some accent. So guys, my apology if when I was seasoning, if it didn't video all of it, because I don't know why the camera does that sometimes. It just shut off. So now I'm placing all the ribs in this foil container. Yep, they're all gonna fit in there today. To sit for a few minutes while I preheat my oven and put it in. This bad boy to go into the oven. There it is. Maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. At 400 degrees. So I bought these asparagus a few days ago and I didn't want them to spoil, so I washed them, break off the tip, and put them in a freezer. Put them in the freezer so that they don't go bad. So today, roast some asparagus, broccoli, add some olive oil, the dandy Vegeta. Give it a bit of rub. Time. Corn. And now I'm gonna melt some butter. Vegeta in my butter. Let's give it a little mix. Now I'm gonna put this all over my corn. Give it a rub in a foil container too. The oven. Now this is also going in the oven. Remember my fish that I saved? If if you watch my Fry Fish and Festival video, you'll see that I saved one of the fish. I said I was gonna put it in the freezer for another time. Well, this is my dinner today, also going in the oven. If you haven't seen that video, check it out somewhere up here. It's the Jamaican Fry Fish and Festival video. So here is, it's in the suggestion box right here. Watch that video after you've watched this video. Okay, I'm making my sauce for my ribs. So ketchup, honey garlic, my ginger garlic sauce, a little soy sauce, teeny weeny bit of vinegar, and some brown sugar, and mix. So I need my sauce to have a little bit more spicy taste, so I'm adding some sriracha. And it's ready. It is ready. Back in the oven. From my amazing house to yours, one love.